Good afternoon, everyone. Children, we are going to start the program now.
Meeting is over. Yes.
All of you, please switch off your camera and mute your mic. Okay? Then only you will be able to see the candidates. Then only you will be able to hear to what the candidates say to you. Okay?
Hello, can you?
Okay. Now we are going to begin the program, and we have school election
sir.
after 2 days, and this is the platform to know who are your candidates contesting to different posts. You know, each and every student will have to do 7 votes. 1 for head boy, 1 for head girl, third one for deputy head boy, fourth one for deputy head girl, then 1 art secretary, 1 sports captain, and last one magazine editor. So each of you have to do 7 votes. Today we have almost 16 candidates contesting for these 7 posts. They will present their manifesto in front of you. You listen to them, evaluate them, and day after tomorrow you do your voting as per your choice. It is your discretionary power. It is your discretion and your choice to vote for which candidate. I remind you one thing. When you do voting, please ensure these things. You have to vote for 7 candidates. 7 votes you have to do for 1 each to each post. Okay. Then you submit, click submit button. Then only your vote will be registered, and you will get the message you are successfully voted. And if you are not getting this message, remember your voting is not complete. So once you click submit button, then only your voting will be complete. And tomorrow from 10 o'clock, the link will be open. You can get into the voting panel, and you can register your votes. Once you do, you cannot do it again. So before submitting votes, if you have to make any change, you are free to do it. But after submitting, no changes are possible. Okay? And the link will be open up to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. After that, you cannot vote. After the link is open, you can start voting without affecting your normal online classes. Your normal online classes will go as usual. If you have classes in the morning, you can vote in the afternoon. If you have classes in the afternoon, you can vote in the morning. In such a way, you arrange your time, you make your time for both possible for voting and also for attending your online classes. We wish all the candidates best of luck, and we wish you a nice program to watch in the Zoom. I'd like to request my fellow colleagues in this panel to call candidates one by one, and you can listen to them. Mr. Vimal sir will call the candidates one by one. Right away, we are going to start with the program. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Yes, principal.
Good afternoon, everyone. As we all know, today we are having the Meet the Candidate program as a part of our school parliament election. You know, last 2 weeks, our election process are going on. Like a real election, we have conducted the press conference, nomination, submission of nomination, scrutinizing, then final list publishing, then giving symbols, and now we came to the most important part, meet the candidate. You all listen carefully what these candidates are saying. You should be vigilant. After analyzing their speech and their talents, you have to decide to whom I should cast my vote. So, dear voters, you should be vigilant. Again, I repeat, you should be vigilant and listen what these candidates are saying. So for that, we have 7 posts. For these 7 posts, total 17 candidates are participating. And for head boy, we have 2 candidates. Head girl, we have 2 candidates. Assistant head boy, 2. Assistant head girl, 2. Art secretary, we have 3 candidates. Sports captain, we have 4 candidates. And for magazine editor, we have 2 candidates. So let's start with our head boy candidates. So I would like to invite Muhammad Nafis AP to present his election manifesto in front of the voters. Muhammad Nafis AP of class 10A.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all. Most respected election commissioners, returning officers, teachers, parents, and my dear voters. A warm and pleasant afternoon to all. My name is Muhammad Nafis, and I am standing for the post head boy, and my symbol is throne. As you all know, that this is the first time 10th standard is involved in the election. I am very happy and delighted to be the part of head boy for the second time. First of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for giving me the blessing. Alhamdulillah. Secondly, I would thank our school administration for giving me a chance to be part of the election. Thank you all. There is a famous saying by Johann Wolfgang. Whatever you can do or dream you can, begin it. Boldness has genius, power, and magic in it. My dear voters, I would like to have your attention. I'm glad to share that our school is conducting election very soon. I, Muhammad Nafis, is contesting as head boy for the election. Unlike what happens every year, I don't want to tell you that I would do something if you vote for me. I request wholeheartedly to vote for the one who deserves it and who can make best of it. We usually have a feeling that school elections are not that important. But let me tell you guys, we are the budding prodigies who are going to the country's citizens. We are tomorrow's hope. We are the ones who are going to govern our country by ourselves for ourselves. Having said this, I would like to tell you all that to vote is not a small thing. It requires a lot of thinking. Give that thinking before you vote. Casting a vote is a responsibility and a privilege. Hope you all this privilege wisely. As I said, voting itself is a lot more responsibility. So nominating and contesting in the election is something more hard. And when you win, fulfilling the duties is even more important. I promise you all that I shall do my best to be a head boy you would all admire and like. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, Nafis. Next, I invite Senhan Salavuddin of 10A for presenting his election manifesto. Senhan Salavuddin of 10A.
Serve it with pride, lead with confidence, inspire to impact lives. Respected election commissioners, returning officers, candidates, and all others who are present here. Good evening to you all. Hi, my name is Senhan Salavuddin. I am from class 10th A, and I am standing in the school election 2020-21 for the post of school head boy, and my symbol is crown. This is a new kind of election for all of us. Because of this pandemic, we have lost most of our time. But we are trying to compensate for that with digital learning. In this digital election, I want to be a head boy because I have lost strong leadership skills. I promise that I will be a good leader soon. Personalities are, I'm a good listener, very friendly towards everyone, and I'm an honest person. I enjoy helping others and seeing them achieve their goals. I'm very positive towards teachers.
As a team. So vote for me. So please vote for me. My symbol is cricket bat. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammad Sayan, and all the very best. Before moving on to the next candidate, we would like to request all the viewers to mute your phone, your mic. Please mute your mic because there is a sound disturbance and the other viewers cannot hear what these candidates are saying. So we are requesting all the viewers to mute your mic. Next, I would like to invite Fatima T of 8th A to deliver her speech.
Leaders are one who shows the way, goes the way, and knows the way. Leaders are one who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. Great leaders don't tell that what should do. They will you how it's to do. Respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends, and very listen good afternoon to all. Myself, Fatima T from grade 8, and my condensing the post of sports captain, and my symbol is tennis rackets. I am exactly to applying for the question of the sports captain and sports spirit perfect. A key attribute of these questions is representation, the act of the some speaking of the acting and behavior of separations. Someone's. I feel that the inequality of the present of something, you have to have a good understanding of it. Firstly, a sports captain is a represent the school. By applying a leader outlook, and I would need to have the first and the wherever possible assist the students and perform at the highest level. This leadership philosophy making the process allowing for the creation of the increasing and students. Increasing the students and involving and creating of the outcomes, acting and the servant. Leader is I am the focus of the growth of students with the compliments of the mind ideas about delegation responsibility and my ideas about delegation, responsibility and accountability by the delegation of the publication for the certain task. I can increase the morality of the confidence and produces the and you students this will be shows I have confidence to trust the other of the and build their innovation of the morality. And I thought I might delegating of responsibility as a sports captain. I would always do the provide support and never remove any accountability for the overall outcome. Leadership is not set and forget. Delegation is about the innovation of others. Heart about giving on and control. Away control. I have known about doubt that of the I would like to be support captain and because I would instability of love to lead you and the victory of one sports captain. I will listen to all of my ideas. I will cheer you up when you are sad, and I am a good lord of mold. Please vote for me, and I never will. I repeat myself once again. I am Fatima T from grade 8, and please vote for me. My symbol is tennis rackets. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, Fatima. Next, I would like to invite Siha Fatima NR of 8th A to present her election manifesto. Siha Fatima NR of 8th A.
Respected Chief Election Commissioner, Hanif Sir, Chief Election Advisor TP Muhammad sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Good evening to everyone. My name is Ziha Fatma and I'm studying in 8th standard. I'm standing for sports captain. My symbol is. I'm excited to apply for the sports captain and sportsman prefect. Yet, after speaking and acting on behalf of someone, I feel that adequately represents something we have to have a good understanding of it. Firstly, a sports captain prefect represent the school. I have immersed in school sporting opportunities and supporting programs. Secondly, sports captain prefect representation with teammates and peers with the communication. I'm involved in variety of sports. I represented the school every year, athletics, long jump, relay. I like athletic very much because it's going on its second challenge, like 12 seconds and all. So I like that and being involved in a diverse amount of sports equally. Question to me, request school sporting community, I feel have ability to relate and to have facility. I'm concluding my words. Please vote for me. My name is Ziha Fatma and I'm studying 8th standard. My symbol is shuttlecock. Please vote for me. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, Siha. So these are the 4 powerful candidates for the post of sports captain. My dear voters, now it's your turn. You analyze their speech, their talents, and on voting day, you choose the best one. Next, we are moving on to the next, last category, magazine editor. Here also we have 2 powerful candidates. So first, let's hear from Shazia Ali of 8th A. Shazia Ali of 8th A.
Good evening to all. Respected Chief Election Advisor TP Muhammad sir and respected Election Commissioner Muhammad Hanif sir and all the election administrative members and my dear parents and my dear friends. My name is Shazia Ali. I am contesting the post of magazine editor and my symbol is pen. A school magazine is an integral part of a school life. The most cases it is a periodical published by the school authorities consisting of the contribution from the students and teachers of that particular institution. Publishing a magazine is a long draw. The out process initially editorial board, the constitution and of the editorial in the chief manager, editor, editorial coordinator, photographer, copy editor, illustrator, and so on. The editor in a chief is usually appointed by the headmaster, and the editor is often a teacher who coordinates the editorial and publishing work for the installation. The several students editors from the students and classes, and the selection assists the editors in his or her work. The expression of the publishing the magazine are usually brought by the school authorities. Sometimes the members of the school alumni. The volunteer to sponsor the magazine, especially the specific anniversary issue commemorating the essential silver or golden jubilee, the celebrating of the institution. The content of a school magazine is usually pertain to activities and school. It is a circulation by a large limited to the school. To a particular school magazine, logs generally public interest and it is extremely relevant to the students and teachers, authorities of the school. Where it is published, sometimes the copies are sent as events relevant institution and dignities. Don't forget to vote for me. Please vote for me. And my symbol is pen. My name is Shazia Ali. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Shazia Ali. Next, we are moving on to the last candidate, Mina Fatima Mustafa K of 7th A. I would like to invite Mina Fatima Mustafa K of 7th A to deliver her speech.
Standing up because of you, for you. Respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear fellow mates, above of you. First of all, me myself, Mina Fatima Mustafa from 7th A, and I'm standing in the position of magazine editor and book. And I am saying that a vote of each person is a precious one. It is your choice. It is your freedom. Don't waste it. Means don't hear those who tell you to vote for him, vote for her. So voting is your choice. Vote for whom you like. Vote for whom you think this person is better for this position. And I think it will be me for this post. Everyone is born with different types of talent, like writing, reading, drawing, etc. But some of us, no, more of us are afraid to show it out or trying to show it out. But if you elected me as your magazine editor, I promise I will try my level best to take out your talent outside from your heart or inside of you. You know, I don't speak the change, make the change because I like to do like this. I'm not giving you a promise or a sure because I cannot take all of your talent outside. Some of you think that how is it possible? Yes, it is possible by a magazine. Last year there were no magazine, but this year it will be there, a big magazine. This is my promise. But you have to vote for my symbol and you have to make me as your magazine editor. If you vote for me, I will be your voice and do what you like to do. Now I thank the school or the teachers who are behind this and giving me like this opportunity to in this situation also. Thank the teachers and all others who are behind this program. Now I'm stopping my words and I think you will vote for me. My name is Mina Fatima Mustafa from 7th and my symbol is a book. Thank you. Have a great day and all the best to other candidates.
Okay. Thank you, Mina Fatima. And my dear voters, you have listened what all these candidates are said. Now, here with us, our Chief Election Advisor, Dr. T.P. Mohammed sir is there. Let's hear his message. Sir, please.
Respected Election Commissioner and other authorities, and my dear students, candidates, voters, and all my parents. I think this is your surprise for you because you never feel that there will be a election for this year because of the COVID-19. But Malabar is everywhere in all the perspectives and all activities. We don't want to leave any of the program of the school for this because of this reason. So we are conducting all the programs which we are usually conducting in the school. So I would like to request all the students, be part of the program of the school when and where it is going to attend, going to participate for you. So dear students, today we have arranged the Meet the Candidate program, and you met all the candidates which you are going to be contesting here, and you have to select the best out of them. So each post you have 2 or more candidates. So you heard from them and you heard the promise from them. So just you see what is good for you. And don't feel that these candidates, once we elected, what they are going to do for you. Sure, they will do something for you because we are arranging programs like that. Even in online, we are going to conduct all the programs in the school. Hereafter, you are going to see different programs. Okay. So thank you very much. And I wish all the candidates the best. I don't want to tell whoever it is going to win, but I can make sure that the election will run it in a smooth way and you will get a good one as your leader. And all the candidates, I would like to request, it is a part of education. It is a part of education, our democracy. So as a part of this, you are going to learn how we are going to conduct the election and how the students are going to vote and how they are becoming voters and how the election process is going on. So I wish all of you the best, and the election will be, all the process of election will be coming day after tomorrow. And on 29th, you are going to cast your vote. So I wish you all the candidates the very best, and I wish all the students be safe and be happy at home. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
for
sir.
your valuable message. So, my dear children,
Thank you, sir.
we have observed this 18 candidates message. Now, I would like to invite our Chief Election Commissioner, Dr. Hanif sir, to conclude this session and to give the final instructions. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, everyone, once again. Now, all the candidates who are contesting for the posts of head boy, head girl, assistant head boy, assistant head girl, art secretary, sports captain, and magazine editor. You have seen them and you have listened to their words. You have listened to their promises. And now it is your turn to choose the best candidate. To the candidates, I have one word. You are contesting in the election. To each post, only one will be selected or one will be elected. So some of you are going to lose, some of you are going to win. By winning, don't think that you have gained everything and you have conquered the world. By losing, don't lose your heart. Don't think that you have lost the world. So winning or losing is only a temporary process. It's a part and parcel of your life. Take everything positive and we'll make our score parliament as usual. As our MD sir told, we don't want you to miss any of the activities that we used to have in our school. So due to COVID-19, when everyone is locked at home, Malabar is going ahead with all its scheduled activities as usual, your exam, your election, and you can expect much more activities in future. So I don't want to take much of your time. You have listened to all the candidates and make a right decision, make a wise decision, and utilize your voting, power of voting very wisely. To all the voters, all the children of class 4 to 10, I have the request, you don't miss the voting. You can register your vote between 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. So as I said in the beginning, if somebody joined late for their information, if you have classes in the afternoon, you do the voting in the morning. Or if you have classes in the morning, you can do voting in the afternoon. So anyway, make sure you are doing your voting, and in a democratic setup, voting is the most powerful tool to elect your rulers or to elect your leaders. So I wish all the candidates best of luck, and I wish all the students a nice experience of online voting. And once again, I remind you, after selecting one candidate to each post, at the end of the voting process, don't forget to click the submit button. Then only you'll get the message, your voting has been done successfully. After getting that message, only your voting is complete. Otherwise, just by clicking the name and logging out or signing off will not register your vote unless and until you click on the submit button. So don't forget to click on the submit button. And this platform of Zoom will be used to make parents meeting tomorrow and after tomorrow. The schedule of parents meeting will be circulated to you today by your class teachers. I request parents and all students to join the online parents meeting through Zoom tomorrow at the given time for each and every class. Not all students at a time. Class-wise time is given, allotted. And all parents and students are requested to join us again tomorrow in the class PTA meetings. Thank you all. Have a nice day and may God bless you. Children, we are going to wind up this session here. Once again, best of luck to all the candidates and good day to all the students. Take care. Goodbye.